Yeah, all this started in 2008, so 10 years ago in this classroom. All the skins workshops and everything, so it's really great to see you all here 10 years later for me anyways.
So what we're going to be doing today is letting you guys finish your Photoshop texture, and then we're going to show you how to properly save it, and then how to apply it to your model, and then pose it. And then we send it off to be printed, so that's super cool.
Yeah, I'm just not sure where
You
it
click-
is.
okay,
Is it
this-
on this side?
Great.
I think there's something. You can go up to fill too. The paint bucket. Sort of. Yeah, I see what you mean.
Take the
think
color
now
of
we
your
have a
cheek
template.
stamp and just like stick it down inside. So posing, in a nutshell, position to look straight on at your model, and say you want to move this bone, you're only going to be able to move like this. Whereas if you're looking at it from the side, you can rotate like this, but like back here also. Don't do that, it's scary.
It's so fun. It's pretty cool.
Yeah,
Right arm. Left arm is this.
It's just an option for you to keep in your repertoire of possible career ideas, because when I did this workshop, I wasn't like, yeah, I'm going to do 3D, that's definitely where I'm going. It took like years of exploring other avenues. Like I didn't even do 3D in college. But then I went to university and I was like, that feels like something I could do, and then I'm doing it now and I'm getting paid.